everyone, my name is Claire Roberts, and today I'll be presenting my 5th book critique and the 2 books I chose to read, including my feature text. The first book I chose to read is titled Going Down Home with Daddy. This book is written by Kelly Lawrence and illustrated by Daniel Minister, and this book is set at a pre-K to 3rd grade reading level, and the genres of this book are children's literature and fiction. And it was also awarded the Caldecott Medal. This book is about a family that's traveling down to visit little Alan's family, and when he's there, him and his family tell stories about his family and just pay tribute to their family history and their ancestors. And while they are there, his children learn about the importance and what the meaning is of family. And one thing I love about this book is just the family history and the dynamic between the family members, because it's very rare to see what it actually means to be in a family and how it is important to be a family and just be in each other's company and also just cherish family. So for this book, I created 2 lesson plans, 2 lessons. The first lesson, I related it to the Ohio Standards for English and Language Arts, and it is also a 3rd grade language arts lesson. So I related it to the demonstrating understanding of word, relationships, and enunciates and words meanings. Okay. So in this lesson, after reading the book, students will then learn the vocabulary of the book of the 6 words: tribute, reunion, celebration, generations, ancestors, and family. After they are done learning the meaning of the words, they will then play this Kahoot to test their skills of memorizing the words and the meaning of the words. Okay, so there are 6 questions. There are true and false, and they will see the meaning of the word or might not be the meaning of the word at the top, and they will have 2 options to choose true or false, and they will have that ability to choose. They will also see more questions like what is the meaning of blank. So what is the meaning of tribute? They will see the wrong answer, which is the top one. They will see the right answer, and they will have to decide which one is right or wrong. And based on their memory and their studying, they should be able to choose and analyze which one is right out of the 2 options. So for my next lesson plan, I created a pre-K English lesson, and I related it to the Ohio Learning Standard Speaking and Listening Standard. So this is describe familiar people, places, things, and events. So in this pre-K English lesson, students will learn the family tree, and who exactly is on the family tree. The students will be taught people that are included on the family tree, including grandma and grandpa, aunt and uncle, cousins, mom and dad, brother and sister, and they will have to place a picture. So they will have a cutout of an old lady, for example, and they will place it where it belongs on the family tree. So for my last book, I chose to read a book titled Big Cat, Little Cat. This book is illustrated and written by Alicia Cooper, and the genre of this book is fiction, and it is set at a pre-K to 1st grade reading level. And this book was also awarded a Caldecott Medal. And this book is about a story of a cat who once lived by himself, but then one day a new cat joins him, and that is when we see a new friendship between these 2 cats bloom. So they do many things together. They develop this friendship throughout the book, and sadly, one day the cat leaves and doesn't come back, so we see the heartbreak, we see an attachment become destroyed because the cat leaves the other cat, of course. But yeah, in this book we see a friendship develop between two animals. We see a bond create. And yeah, at the end, these were just my sources, and that is all. Thank you so much.